Hey everybody, I'm Jeremy Miedema here with Miedema Auctioneering, and we're with Todd and Sarah Greiner of Todd Greiner Farms Packing LLC up here in Hart, Michigan. And we have a really nice equipment auction coming up for them on March 8th, and we're gonna ask a few questions here and kind of give everybody an idea of how the auction's gonna go and what's on the auction. So the first thing I wanted to ask you guys is how long have you been farming?
Roughly 30 years.
Okay. And then how did you get started with farming?
Well, I worked for my dad before college. I started when I was like 8 years old, so still remember driving tractor when I was that young. And after high school, I went to Michigan State University and graduated with agribusiness, 2-year program. Then after that, I bought our first farm. 120 acres. We grew asparagus and tart cherries on that, and that was in 1994. Sarah and I got married in 1997. Yeah, we grow a lot of asparagus, tart cherries, sweet cherries, pumpkins, hard squash, sweet corn, field corn, zucchini.
And then we wanted to talk too a little bit about why you guys are selling. Sarah, do you have a little bit of information on that?
Yeah, so we've decided that we're kind of want to focus more on the sales and marketing portion of our operation. We're still going to be growing and packing. We still operate our packing facility, growing asparagus, tart cherries, pumpkins, but our goal is to focus on marketing sales, which is what we've always been doing too. But we're gonna have some growers locally that are growing along with us, and some other growers in different parts of the state as well. We'll still be marketing asparagus and zucchini, sweet corn, hard squash, pumpkins, heirlooms.
Okay, so you're not going away, just kind of shifting focus a little bit. Is that right?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
We're not going away.
Yep. And then I want to talk to you. It's been awesome working up here with the equipment. You guys did a great job of keeping that clean. Just wanted to ask you, what maybe highlight a few of your favorite pieces, or talk about some of the highlights on the auction.
Well, they're kind of all my favorites, but we got some nice iron up here. I would say the 4750, the 8300. I don't think you're finding a nicer 4020 around. Nice 4640. Some other 6150Rs, 6190R. A lot of nice Massey tractors. A lot of nice forklifts, case forklifts, Harlow, asparagus riders, asparagus carts. Yeah, we got a lot of equipment up here.
Yeah. I wanted to hit on the Hagie STS 12 sprayer a little bit. Can you talk a little bit about that piece?
Yeah, it's ready to go. It's got like 600 hours on it. Yeah.
I believe it's a 2024 model.
It is 2024. Yep.
Okay.
It's a very nice sprayer. It's Cadillac.
Yeah.
Of the Hagies.
Yep. And then we've mentioned the equipment's nice, and you guys kept up nice on it. Wondering if you can talk about your maintenance program a little bit.
Yeah. So every winter we bring everything in our main shop and we do everything on it. We drain the hydraulics, we oil change all the fluids, grease everything, polish everything with wax, and then after that we check all the air and tires. Make sure they're all correct. And then after that, and every 250 hours we drain the oil throughout the year, so change it.
Okay.
Yeah, we use all 1540 mobile on all of our diesel engines,
Yep.
tractors. So. And grease, I want to just explain mean, grease is cheap. We don't skimp on grease. Grease everything every day. We just, I'm very, very particular on our equipment, and our employees know that, and I just don't think you're going to find a better line of equipment than what's here.
Yeah, yep. And then when you're done, when you guys are done using the equipment too, it all goes back in the barns, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. Again, I'm Jeremy Miedema with Miedema Auctioneering, and we're going to be selling the equipment here on March 8th, Saturday, March 8th, beginning at 10 o'clock. You can bid here in person on the farm, or you can bid online. We're streaming it on Equipment Facts and Proxy Bid. So bid in person or bid online, and don't miss the auction Saturday, March 8th, beginning at 10 o'clock. Thank you.